In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Chrome browser. And all you need to do is to come to the top of your opening browser that you have that is not Chrome. You can search for Google, and then you can go ahead and search for Chrome browser, just like so. And hit on enter. You'll be able to see it over here as the first option, or you can use this, the fast and secure website, the browser built to be safe, yours. And you can just go ahead and download from here for Mac operating system, because it is going to detect automatically which operating system you're working with, and you can just go ahead and download it. Installation is very simple. You just follow these steps, you just drag and drop, and then you can launch it directly. So once you finish installing, you can just go ahead, come to the launch pad and just search for Chrome, and you'll be able to see it over here. You can just click and you can start using it. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.